what the fuck? Oh. Yeah. Today I will be shooting a Porsche. It's not like a big shoot or something. There's like this test drive day. I reached out to them and I was like, can I come over and take some pictures? Maybe take the car some spots? And they were like, yeah, dope. When you want to come? So I said, well, then and there. And they said, we'll see you there. I'm almost ready. Yeah, I finally got a haircut. Then I have to like pack some stuff and we're good to go. As always, I will see you there in the car. All right, let's shoot some Porsches. The guy said this was the dirtiest one, brother. This guy has not seen a dirty car before. Polarizer does amazing things. What the hell? A little bit too close. I'm sorry if it's too windy, guys. I'll have to edit the Porsche logos up right. Hopefully I don't forget to do that. They're all different colors, right? Maybe I'm gonna try to do the logo thing I've seen on Instagram. Let's get a little bit further. Zoom all the way in. Not, well, yeah, I have to do it all the way. All right, that's number one. It's number two. And then the last one. Have I taken this shot already? I don't know, maybe. A little bit more so you can read Porsche. Nah. I can maybe work with that. Maybe some Photoshop. Bro, this color is clean. There's a car in the way. Can I use it? If these guys can move, they don't have to. I'll have to sit down again. Ugh. Ooh, this might be it. Is it too, am I too low like this?
So this takes out the front, and then we'll take another one that limits the side, so we can see which one is best. Unsure though. My camera keeps falling. Oh, I wish I had a better lens. If I could get the building like more blurry. Yes, 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 yes. Walk to the left. No, then go further to the right. Yes, thank you, my friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Now the bus. Now him again. I'll take the picture. Maybe one like these. Brother, are you like actively ruining my shots? All right, thanks, buddy. Maybe a little bit further, like this. Oh yeah, I like this one. Even lower. Unsure. Ugh.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, oh. Was it in sport? It wasn't even in sport. What is this car? This is a rocket, bro. It's not even illegal. We're not even driving 50. Holy, and the sound is crazy. This, what the hell?
God damn it. Higher shutter.
Yes, please. The wind was getting way too loud, so I'm not going to pierce your eardrums here. We only had the car for 1 hour, and this was my first time on this rooftop parking lot. So I didn't really know what the best angles were to shoot from. We relocated the car a couple times, and we found some cool angles, but since we didn't have much time, I was in a hurry, which is never good when you're looking for the perfect picture.
Crazy car. Ugh. Too far now.
So what happened is I recorded too much compared to the M2 video and my phone was full. So yeah, that's all I recorded. The only thing we can do right now is get into Lightroom, because yeah, I finally got Lightroom. Every other picture before was done through the camera raw filter from Photoshop. I said I don't need Lightroom. You do need Lightroom. So here we are. So I took this picture and it's the only bottle of water that I had. It's not the cleanest because the car is too far from the reflection, but what I tried is I tried to like bring it closer. I think it turned out nice. I do have, I think it's this one or this one. No, it's this one. The door is open. Why? I guess I have to use this one, right? 4x5, that. I have some presets. Yeah, I'm going with this one. But I am going to make it a little bit more to the blue. I'm gonna lighten it up a bit more. A little bit more contrast in. Bring in some more shadows. People always turn this down. I have to change. Can I change it now? All right, next time I hope I will put this in English. And I hope I don't forget, which I probably will. But I want to bring this up ever so slightly. I might do this because it makes the picture a little bit darker. I kind of like it. So the before and the after. Now let's see how good it will mask the subject. It does not. Let's get a radial filter going like this. Does it fuck up the railings? No, it actually doesn't. I don't mind it. What I am going to take out is the bottom, so it takes off the line. Does it do the car any justice? Oh, I did not mean to do that. Maybe if I take this and brighten it a little bit. The highlights can go down, the whites can go down, so the railing is not like popping. And then if we bring up the shadows a bit, reveals a little bit more of the car. I think I nailed this picture. Actually looks kind of cool. I'm proud of myself. This is the end of the video. Thank you all. This is the end of the video. Thank you. This is the end for. What am I doing, man? This is the end of the video. Sorry if the camera is. Oh. I can't speak anymore. I am yapping way too much. So this is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't, hit the like button, hit. This is the end of the video. If you're still here, thanks for watching. If you haven't, hit the like, hit subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think of the video, what you want to see different. Don't talk about the quality of this camera. I am yapping so much. So stop yapping, Nick, and just end your freaking video, right? Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.